those two birds there. See them on top? Hopefully they'll sit and give us a chance. So I'm here, binoculars. Let's see if we can do this. So here this is where they're nesting. They look like eagles to me. I mean, there's so many falcons and harriers around here; it's ridiculous. But these two are unique. Their beaks are very yellow and very thick, like noticeably. And so it came and did a little flyby for us. One of the birds just to check us out. We were kind of walking back towards there. Beautiful. Sorry the camera doesn't focus on it as it's flying, but it's the best pictures I could grab. All right, thanks for watching. I should be putting up more bird videos.